Hey guys, so I'm back to you with another video. In today's video, or whatever day you're watching this, doesn't matter to me. I want to talk about what I want to see in the new iPhones. As we know, summer just started, and in a few short months, we're going to see the new iPhone 13 or 12s or whatever they're going to say this year. I'm thinking it's iPhone 13, even though rumors are it's going to be a 12s, but another rumor saying 12s is going to come out beginning of 2022. I almost had to think what year it was just a minute ago. And I know they're going to announce probably the new Apple Watch, which I'm going to get my hands on because my current Apple Watch is a Series 4. So I want to get the Series 7 because I know there's going to be a lot more health updates besides the usual. You got your blood saturation that they announced last year on the Apple Watch Series 6. But I would love to see other updates for the Series 7. Like, for example, blood pressure. Like, I know that's a little too much asking for, but I'd love to see blood pressure being added to that, considering we can get our O2 sats along with our pulse, because you can get your pulse and they should tell you your pulse is like low. You probably need to get that checked out. Even blood pressure, that's like a huge thing for health metrics these days. It'll show you if your blood pressure is elevated. Obviously, you're at risk for a bunch of other things, but that's a different story for another topic completely. That's what I would like to see. I would like to see more like fitness things going on the watch. I mean, I know it tells you you're doing so and so. If you're on the treadmill, they're going to say are you walking, running, blah blah blah, or are you on the Stairmaster, or on the elliptical, for example. Because I know sometimes I forget to set my Apple Watch saying on the elliptical, let's start now, or on the Stairmaster, I'm ready to start now. Even I just wish they can like add more fitness things. That's my motto right now, is just fitness and tech. So, anyways, the main reason besides the Apple Watch, we got the iPhone 13. There's a lot of things I actually want to see different with the iPhone 13. Obviously, I want to see a smaller notch, but I don't think it's going to happen because notch did not change between the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 12. So I don't have the iPhone 12. I'm recording this obviously on the 11 Pro Max, which I still love because the battery life is legit. Battery life is like lasts me all day. I don't even charge it until I get home from work, even if I don't have to work that day. But anyways, few things I want to see on the iPhone 13 is better portrait mode. Portrait mode is not good with the cameras. I'm sorry, but they're better with Samsung Galaxy devices. Basically, I know they're probably gonna do a better camera system, because why else would you get a smartphone? What, just to text people? No, you get them for cameras. I always have to pay attention to the camera. If the cameras are not there, it's not gonna bring me anything. Because I know my dad is a camera dude. If the cameras aren't good on that phone, he's not gonna get it. So that's my opinion. Another thing I would love to see on the iPhone 13 is the sensor, in their in-screen sensor. I know I love the your facial recognition software and all that, but I would love to see the in-print finger sensor on it too. I mean, I really miss that because I still have it with my iPad Pro from 5 billion years ago. But I would love just to see that happen. But if there's anything you would love to see in the next iPhone, just let me know, because I'm all ears for anything, even for the next Apple Watch. I would love to see what you think, because basically the best smartwatch out there is the Apple Watch. So hope everyone has a good day. Bye.